That one quick answer: no. Don't bother yourself with that. Instead of wasting energy learning Latin names, which is content, learn concept. Why? The most important question for you as a young medical student is why? And you will, by asking that, you will come into a lot of problems with your professors, because unfortunately, many of our professors from the older generation just learn what? Content, without learning why. So when you ask them why, they will get upset. They will tell you, go and find out, go and read, go to the library. But that's your job. So lead your medical school career with asking the question, why? Why is this happening? Why? Not what is happening, not what is the diagnosis, but why is that diagnosis happening here? Why is this patient having chronic heart failure? Why is this patient having hypertension? Why is this patient having this? And why, and why, and why? That will make you a great physician at the end, and you will be able to do excellent on the USMLE exam.